Let's be honest, getting rich is easy. Staying rich? That's a whole different beast. Everybody online is screaming money moves. Hustle, get the bag, but no one's talking about how fast that bag leaks once you get it. You can hit a lick once. You can go viral once. You can make 10K off one crazy month, but if you don't know how to keep that money, you're just a broke legend with screenshots. So yeah, getting rich is the fun part. But staying rich? That's the grown-up game. And once you understand the difference, you'll never waste another paycheck trying to look successful. Stay with the debt destroyer, because after watching this video, you'll finally see why your money disappears faster than your motivation on a Monday. Trap 1. Fast money, fast problems. Let's be real. Everyone wants to blow up overnight. TikTok fame, crypto win, that one drop shipping product boom, you're rich. But guess what? Fast money teaches zero patience. You go from broke to baller to broke again. You don't build systems, you create chaos. You think you're up, but your spending habits still belong to your broke version. Want to know who wins long term? The boring ones? The ones who don't flex. The ones stacking quietly. Because real money doesn't scream, it whispers. Stay till the end, and I'll show you how boring people end up running the world. Trap 2. Income ain't wealth. You ever get paid and feel rich for 2 days, then boom, you're broke again. Yeah, that's because income isn't wealth. You're not rich because money came in. You're rich when money stays. Most people make money just to spend it. Rich people make money to multiply it. If your money disappears faster than a Snapchat story, you're not rich, you're renting a lifestyle. Stick around, and I'll show you the one shift that makes your cash start working harder than you. Trap 3. Flex culture kills net worth. This one hurts you. You don't want wealth, you want attention. You want people to see you winning, not actually win. You buy the designer, the car, the soft life vibe, and now you're broke in HD. Real rich people, they dress like they just rolled out of bed. Because when you've got it, you don't need to post it. Keep watching, and I'll show you how to flex your bank balance, not your outfit. Trap 4. No plan, just vibes. You can't stay rich on vibes, bro. If you don't have a system, your emotions run your wallet. Every treat yourself adds up. Every I'll save next month is a trap. Rich people automate their money. Their savings hit before they even wake up. Their investments don't wait for motivation. By the end of this, you'll have the exact mindset rich people use to make money while scrolling TikTok. Trap 5. Trusting everybody with your bag. You got money now, and suddenly everyone's got ideas. Bro, invest in my brand. Fam, I just need a quick loan. Cousin, we can flip this together. Next thing you know, your money's working for everyone but you. You gotta protect your bag like it's your baby. Because once it's gone, no one's refunding your generosity. I'll show you how the real rich say no and still stay loved. Trap 6. Same mindset, different bank balance. You can't stay rich with broke habits. If you were bad with $100, you'll be worse with $10,000. Money doesn't change you, it magnifies you. You get lazy with discipline. You get reckless with comfort. The wealthy mindset isn't about money, it's about control. You control the spending. You control the emotion. That's how you build freedom, not chaos. Stick with me and I'll drop the 2 rules rich people live by daily, and trust me, it's simpler than you think. Trap 7. You stop evolving. This one ends most success stories. You make it once and think you're done learning. Then the world moves on. Your strategy stops working. Your ego won't let you update. Boom, back to broke. People who stay wealthy are students forever. They stay curious, humble, and paranoid in a smart way. Because money moves, and if you don't move with it, it leaves you behind. By the end of this, you'll see exactly how the rich keep growing even when everyone else thinks they've made it. If you made it this far, congrats, you just unlocked what most people never learn until they're broke again. You now know the real difference between getting rich and staying rich. It's not luck. It's not a secret. It's discipline, control, and mindset. You're no longer chasing the bag. You're learning to build the vault. Getting rich? That's a moment. Staying rich? That's a lifestyle. So tell me, are you chasing hype or building a legacy? Because here on The Debt Destroyer, we don't teach you how to dream, we teach you how to keep what you earn. Let's go.